Hello there, welcome to my video. This is my 2010 Ford Focus Z-Tech, which I'm going to change the standard halogen headlights to a set of modified xenon headlights that I modified earlier. These are the headlights, and they're the standard Ford ones, and they've got the Ford bulbs and the Ford ballasts, and I've created a modification to them where I've taken 3 wires from each headlamp, and what I've taken out is the xenon positive, the xenon negative, and the switching wire for low beam. Then I've created a wire harness where I've got 2 fuses, so each side is fully fused, which makes it safe, and I've got a relay which basically gives the power from the battery straight to the xenons. That makes it a really safe conversion. So what I'm going to show you now is how easy it is to change over the existing headlights over to xenon. So as I say, all the modifications are carried out. All you need is a large screwdriver for removing your existing headlamps, and you also need a 13mm spanner and a couple of tie wraps, just really to hold the relays in place. So we start by taking off the existing headlamps, which is really straightforward. You've got one screw on the top that holds the headlamp in place. Take that out, and I'll do both sides at the same time. So that's them both out, and then for each underneath there's a couple of clips. Headlamp pops out, and all you do is take off the existing wire harness. That leaves the wire harness. Other side exactly the same. Pop it out. Take off the harness. Normal halogen headlight taken out. Now to fit the xenons, what you have to do is we need to get a power supply, a negative and a positive. So what I do is I loosen the 2 bolts. Hopefully you can see the one here. That's where I take the negative from, and the same on the other side. So if you take your 13mm spanner, what you want to do is loosen these just now so that you can get the terminals in. As you can hear, I use a ratchet spanner because it's so much quicker. And at the same time, what you want to do is also loosen off the power supply, because these are really the only 3 connections you need. So again, I'll try and angle the camera as much as I can. Take off the cover, and hopefully you can see there's a nut here, same 13mm, so just loosen that just now. Put the spanner back so I don't lose it, and then bring over the wire harness. So safety first, what you want to do is to remove the fuses. So take off the cover, pull out 2 fuses. Then the first thing I want to do is attach this wire onto the power supply. That's that attached. All we need to do is tighten it up. Now I'm going to leave the wires out at the moment, but once you do an installation, make sure all the wires get tidied away. So that's one side. And then sort out the wire. The long wire goes to the opposite side of the So again, I've supplied a piece of conduit which makes it really safe. But you basically want to bring this across to this, bring the relay and the wires over to this side. And I'll just adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so this is looking in the offside hole. And again, what I want to do is I want to connect the two earth wires into the nut that we've already loosened. Okay, so let's tighten up the earth wires. Make sure that nut is nicely. Okay, that then just leaves us the three connections which will go into the headlight. I'll just do the other side. Right, all I'm going to do now is basically throw in the headlamps, or put them in very gently if you're listening. But again, as I say, put these up nice and safe, out the way, but for the purpose of the demonstration, all I'm going to do is put them in nice and quick so you can see what it's all about. This is a modified headlight. These are the three cables, and again all colour coded. So take your three wires and just connect them up. And then not forgetting to put in the normal harness. That just clips into place. And then put the headlamp into place. And basically that's it. So what I'm going to do now, you would do the other side exactly the same. But all I'll do now is make sure that everything works. Okay, now let's test it. Side lights, indicators, xenon, high beam. And that's you. You can now enjoy your xenon headlights. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.